Members of a family just desperate to immigrate to the United States as they fear a judge could pause the Biden administration's new parole program. A Local 10's Cody Weddle with this.
I've been waiting.
Ovemis Gomez continues to wait to join her mother, father, and two siblings in South Florida.
So you can imagine how I feel being a mother and a wife alone, trying to get my family out of that country.
The mother of two could come now. She was almost instantly approved in March for the Biden administration's parole program for Cubans, Haitians, Nicaraguans, and Venezuelans. But
I just cannot live with the situation of the country.
her two children and husband continue to wait for their approval. For now, it means she refuses to leave her family behind.
Es una desesperación.
And the family remains separated as an August 24th court date nears. Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody joined several other Republican-led states in January to stop the new parole program.
Regardless of what this judge decides, I would expect that if he rules against the government, they will appeal. If he rules against the states, they would appeal.
The fear that the conservative Texas judge overseeing that trial could now issue an injunction pausing the parole program.
The humanitarian parole has reduced dramatically the number of Venezuelans, Cubans, Haitians, and Nicaraguans going to the border.
Gomez's brother arrived here 8 years ago on this raft. Her mother and father crossed the border in Mexico, the type of unsafe pathways they fear their family may have to use again without the possibility of parole.
Cannot imagine that this program will close and put us in the country.
So Alan, the immigration attorney there we spoke to, does not think this judge will issue an injunction against the program while the case is ongoing. He's basing that on a few statements the judge has made so far. I also reached out to USCIS today to ask them about the processing of these cases. They said there is a backup just because of the high amount of demand, but they are processing cases as soon as they can, some based on order of arrival, others selected at random. We're live in Florida City. I'm Cody Weddle, Local 10 News.